Have you lost access to your Outlook contacts due to a corrupted or damaged PST file? Introducing SysTools Addressbook Recovery Tool. Best tool to recover Addressbook contacts directly from Microsoft Outlook PST files even if they're orphaned, inaccessible, or damaged. Key features of the software. Recover corrupt Addressbook files, efficiently repairs and restores damaged or inaccessible Addressbook data from PST files. Multiple export options, save MS Outlook Addressbook contacts as PST, VCF and CSV. Support for Outlook PST files, works with both ANSI and Unicode PST formats. Data integrity maintained, ensures all contact details including names, phone numbers, emails, addresses, and custom fields are preserved. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools Addressbook Recovery Tool. Then click top search results with official SysTools website link. Once you're on the website, click on Download button. Once install the software, simply launch it. You will be greeted with a clean interface. Click on the Recover option to browse and select the corrupt Addressbook file. Next, click on the Open button to choose the Outlook PST file that contains your Addressbook data. Once selected, the software will automatically begin the recovery process. After the recovery is complete, click OK to view a list of all recoverable contacts. You'll now see a structured preview of the recovered contacts. You can sorting by title, first name, nickname, job title, profession, company name, etc. You can also sorting by alphabetical order, making large contact list easier to manage. To help you quickly locate specific contacts, use the search bar located above the preview panel. You can search by name, company, phone number, or any visible field. Software provides multiple export formats. Export as CSV, export as PST, and export as vCard. CSV format, save contacts in a simple spreadsheet format, perfect for Excel, Google Sheets, or bulk uploads to platforms. PST format, export contacts into a new PST file, ideal if you want to import the data back into Microsoft Outlook. vCard, export contacts as individual VCF files or as a single merged VCF file. This format is highly compatible with mobile devices. For PST in vCard format, MS Outlook should be installed on your system. Click the Export as CSV option. Enter the file name. And choose the location on your system where you want the file to be saved. Click on the Save button to begin the export process. Once the export process is completed, click OK. Navigate to the location where you saved your files. There, you'll find your recovered contacts saved in the chosen format. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Addressbook using SysTools Addressbook Recovery. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.